Hello.
Oh, I have the ball.
You what?
Just the water. Good girl.
Are you a good girl?
Kiss the strap. Give me good kisses. Good kiss. Gentle. Kiss, kiss. Good girl. Good girl. Good. Won't be long.
Won't be long.
Won't be long. Won't be long. Won't be long.
Why, where are you going?
Gentle. Give a kiss.
Cuddle kiss. Can you go? Casper, can you do water? Almost. That sounds more like a strangled chicken. Do water. And cuddle. Cuddle brat. Gentle. Where's Nelson? I'm going to see the boys. Casper, go. Mwah. You are a good girl, but go. Can I have a kiss? Mwah. Casper, do it. Mwah. Daddy.
Cover up. Oh, cover up. Chicken nugget, cover up. Oh, check up. Good girl.
You are, darling. You're. Why? Where are you going?
Just water.
Get some water. You're a chatterbox, aren't you? Mwah. Daddy's at work. Can you dance? Rap. Rap. Give me a kiss. No, don't water. Give me a kiss. Casper. Give me kisses.
Give a kiss.
Yeah. No, give me a kiss.
Give kiss him. Give kiss her.
Do you want to cuddle?
Give a kiss out now.
Won't go poopy. Oh, pretty. Casper? Hey, can I have a kiss?
Step up.
No.
Oh, give out.
Give me kisses. You're not listening to me, are you? Hey.
Gentle kiss. Gentle.
Yeah. Kiss. Mwah. Good. Casper, do it. Kiss. Good girl.
Oh, yeah, give water.
How about, can you do mwah?
Water. Give kiss him. Give a kiss him. Give it out now.
Casper, is it time for bed? Is it time for beddy boys? So no, it's not time for bed yet, is it? It's not time for bed. Can you say goodbye? Say bye-bye, won't be long. Oh, Brap. Good girl.